This is a demonstration of code words and why they are so important on Connector app. If you have an audience and you would like them to find you on Connector app easily, instead of going through the normal affinity tag searching, you can use this function in the search bar. The hashtag here differentiates between affinities and code words. When it is activated, like you see here, then anybody can find you specifically built on these code words that you can build into your profile. You can make these very secret. Let's say you have a motorcycle club, as I do, and you would like for each other to be able to see the other members on the map and filter everyone else off of the map for a moment. You could do that with a code word. If you want everyone to see you, but to see you only and to find you easily, you could also do that with a code word. And then you would publicize your code word to your audience in your normal media so that they could find you on the Connector app. And once they are on the Connector app looking at your profile, you can stack it with all of your social media links right here. And that looks like editing, adding a social profile, perusing the various platforms, picking a platform like that, and then pasting in your URL for that platform. And this defeats the limited function of Linktree by putting all of your social media links in one place for your audience to find you and your content. Another thing that you can do with code words is, if you are an affiliate with Connector and getting paid by Connector to bring your audience over to the Connector app, then you can have your audience put your code word in their profile so that it's very easy for you to go, zoom out all the way, put your own code word, I'll demonstrate this with not a code word, with actually just an affinity, but it works the same. And then it's very easy for you to count. Here is the user count here, the profile count at the top of the screen, to count how many people have deposited your code word into their profile. And this makes it very easy for Connector to pay you for that campaign at the end of the month. You don't rely on reports from the back end. You can actually see it right here on the front end. And you can count up how many people you have onboarded. And next month you can run a new campaign with a new code word and get paid again. For more information about how to make money on Connector app, DM or follow us on connectorcoin.org and join us here on connector.app. This is Anna Pashant. See you in the next one.